Hello everyone, Simmons here. I'm going to explain this challenge to you from a beginner's perspective. As a beginner myself, I find it hard to understand um, even the question of the hacker rank when I just started without any explanation. So I'm going to start and going through it as a beginner myself to help you understand why we put down a for loop, why we put down the variable name, why we put down everything, and the potential outcomes of different options here. And hope you enjoy. And okay, here we go. So this challenge, you're required to calculate and print the sum of the elements in an array, keeping in mind that some of those integers may be quite large. Complete the very big sum function in the editor below and must return the sum of all array elements. The very big sum has the following parameters integer, arn, an array of integers, and n is usually the number of elements in the array. Long, return long, the sum of all array elements. Return long. Okay, long is going to be the result. It's going to be it's a long integer. That's all. Okay. Input format. The first line of input consists of an integer n, which is the number of elements, integers in the array. Next line contains n space array. Okay, cool. So this is adding up all the elements in an array and get the result, right? So what can we do here? The range of the 2 bits. Yeah, don't worry about this. This is purely just to scare you. I got pretty scared pretty bad. I was like, oh shit, should I put down some type of parameter to prevent this from happening? Okay, don't worry about that. Yeah, okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, we need a sum. Let's try different ways. Maybe we'll figure out a new way to do this time. Okay, so we need to find all the elements. Okay, array equals no. Result equals 0, right? So we put down this is going to be the result again, right? So we want to know it's going to be 0, and we need to can we just do result return result? Can we just do that? Some result 2? Oh, no, sorry about that. That's not gonna work. Some array. There we go. Can we do that? Oh shit, that works. Okay. That works. This is a relatively easy one. Wasn't expecting that. Have we done that before? Let me see. Simple array sum. Okay. Oh, so we haven't done this before, so we can use the simple array sum method to do this too. Very big sum. So an alternative way to do this with a for loop, if you have to do it with a for loop, it would be range n, right? And then you return you plus equal like array n, like result equal plus equals array I, right? The index of I, right? The actual number of I. So we return results, which is going to be the same thing. I'm pretty sure they use, because in Python, this is a lot of functions are pre-built. So expected output. See, if I use this, it's not even doing it. Result plus equal AR. What did I do wrong here? Okay, n is not initiated. Okay, that's why. Okay, so n equals length array. Okay, cool. This should do. All right, perfect. So you can either use a for loop, right? Initiate, define n, which is going to be the length of array, or you can also put the length of array here. Like, you don't have to define n. You can just put like length array here, right? And then it'll do the same because you just define the whatever n is equal to. So the definition earlier to define n puts n over here. So you don't have to do that. You can just put length, right, parentheses AR there, right? So it works. So I show you 3 different ways to solve this problem, and let's submit it now to see if it'll solve all cases. Okay, there are only 2 cases here. Okay, so we've done it. Great job. All right, perfect. If you like this content, feel free to subscribe and turn on the bell sign. That way, when I update the video, you will get I don't know what it will get, but you'll probably see it somewhere on your subscription. So have a great day.